Let's go through converting currency. So here's our graph. This graph is showing the amount of euros for every pound, how many euros for £5, how many pounds for €3, what is the ratio of pounds to euros in the form 1:n. Pause. When you're ready, press play. So let's go through the first one. So one way is to use your graph. So you go along to 5 on the pound axis, up to the line, and then across to see that it's €6 for £5. We can do something similar for the next question. So from €3 on the euro axis, go along horizontally and down, and I know that's £2.50. Next one, what is the ratio of pounds to euros? So use your biggest conversion. I know it's 5 to 6, so if we divide both sides by 5 there to make that 1 on the left hand side, it's going to be 1 to 1.2. So now let's use this ratio. So if the ratio of pound to euro is 1 to 1.2, find £45 in euros and find €60 in pounds. Pause, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, so we know the ratio is 1 to 1.2, so for every pound there's 1.2 euros. So that's telling us if we want £45, we're going to need to times 1.2 by 45. So it's going to be €54. For question 2, find €60 in pounds. So when we look at this idea of ratio, well, I'm not sure how many lots of 1.2 makes €60. So I'm going to need to divide it. So 60 divided by 1.2 would be 50. So that's telling me I'm going to have 50 lots of £1, which is just £50. So the key thing here is to find how many lots of euros go into €60. We're going to have to divide, and it's that amount that becomes the pounds. The other way we could have done it was to look at the graph. So €60, well, that's just 10 lots of 6. So if we use our answer for €6, which is £5, well, we just multiply that by 10. So that's another way you could have done it. So €6 to £5, well, we'll just multiply both by 10. Same answer.